Okay, good evening everybody, good evening, good afternoon and morning, according to your time zone. Now, I'll be showing I'll be teaching how I achieve this design using my smartphone, and the only two took Pixel Lab and the Snapseed. So if you don't have this app, look at the app Snapseed. So I'm using Pixel Lab DG, so it's still the same thing. So what we are going to do is see how the interface always be. Let me clear and start afresh. Let me clear everything. Wow. So this is how this is the interface of Snapseed. So I'll just press on this plus sign and I will get my image. Okay. Okay, from Pinterest. I got it from Pinterest. So this is my image. This is my image. I'll just press on the tools, press on detail. I will first of all touch the image, touch it. This one to 50. Okay. Okay, let me just leave it at 15, 49. This one to 25. Okay, the image is looking fine. See the before, see after, before, after. Then I press OK. Then the next thing is to go to my double exposure. I press on this one. I will get my image, the image of someone walking. I think it is this one. Okay. Now see the magic here. I'll use two finger, my big thumbs. I will place it the way I want it. Then the next thing is, we have three options here. This one is to import an image. This one is blending. That's under style. Now this one is an opacity. Then I'm pressing on the opacity. Then we have light, we have dark, we have add, we have overlay. I'm choosing overlay. That's what I use for the image. Then my opacity, I'm picking this one. I'll just let me just leave it at this. Then I'll mark it. Then next thing I will do is I will go over here, edit stack, press on it, press on view edit. Then on this double exposure, we have three things here. Double exposure here, I press on double exposure, press on the second option. Then this is it. This I make sure it is 100%, not 700%. I start cleaning, giving it the best of my creativity. Wow, it's very, very simple. Okay, so I need this thing to be like this. There is heavy rainfall, so I'm through with what I'm doing now. Then I press OK. So this is what I get. I press on the back. I will go back. Then go back to my tools. Then go back to my image tool. I will increase the contrast to 50. My saturation, I think to 10. 10 is okay. Let me just leave it at 9. Ambience to, I can't remember what I used there. And my swarm, it's supposed to be minus. It's like I'm making a mistake. Then shadow, let me just leave it at minus. Then press OK. Then press on my my tools again. Go to vignette. I don't know. Just press on. Okay. Let me just leave this one. There is this one. I can't remember. Vintage. I think it's vintage. Alright, it's vintage. It's like, I can't remember. I just did the design out of trial, so I got what I want. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. It's a bit lucrative. Wow. Then I press OK. Hi, there is this line coming from the eyes, but nevertheless, it's a matter of brushing. Then I press on my, it's like glamour row. Increase it a bit. Welcome. Okay, so this is what I get. Then I will export the image. Sorry. So this is what I have. Then going back to my Pixel Lab. Okay, I was doing a design. Let me save it as project. Let me write it anything. Okay. Then I will import the image I blended using Snapseed. Then I think this is okay. I think is this one. Wow. All right. Delete. Okay. So here is it. I will go to shape. Under shape, then I will go over to gradient and press on the plus sign. This plus sign. I press on it. Then this toggle, I press on the color, turn it to transparent. Then this one, pick something like this color. Then I'm good to go. Expand it. Then I will have to copy it again. Right. So I think you can finish the rest. Okay. Then I wrote what did I even write? God, I can't remember. Okay. Let me import the design. I have it on my phone. Okay. Where's my pixel lab? Beyond yesterday. Beyond tomorrow, sorry. Okay, and I'll just edit my text. Beyond. Sorry. Beyond. Then I will done. I use Gbook font. Gbook. I think I have it here. Gbook regular. Gbook regular. My then the text color, I will do a bit manipulation on that gradient. This one will be white. The upper one will be a touch of blue, dark blue. Okay, let me just leave it like this. That's it. Then you can write tomorrow. I'm not going to finish it, please. I use a font called Metropolis. Have it here, look at it. Metropolis regular. We turn this thing to capital. I think that's what I did to the fullest. Then reduce it to. So the rest you can do it. That's how I achieved it. So thank you so much. See you guys next time. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also stay tuned.